Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my Ipsy unbaggings for November. I have my regular $10 subscription and my Glam Bag Plus. So if you guys want to see what's in both boxes, then just keep on watching. Alright, so let's start off with my regular Glam Bag, and no, Ipsy changed up their bag for the first time in like 6 years. It's normally the pink, hot pink bag, but they changed it up for both the regular bag and the Glam Bag Plus, which is very interesting. And let's see. Oh, my favorite print. Oh, I love this. I love animal print so much. And let's see what it says inside. And the theme for this month is Wild Side. And the first thing I see is from Pixi, a little mini bronzer, I think. It says Mesmerizing Mineral Duo. This is, I don't know if this is a bronzer, let's see. Yeah, it says mineral, oh, the shade is mineral bronze, but it's actually eyeshadow. I do feel like sometimes Pixi is a little underrated because their makeup is actually really, really good. These are two gorgeous shades. They feel really smooth. Those are really pretty. Dark colors, both are shimmery. I love tones like this. These are the colors I always wear. I definitely wear this. It is very, very small, but it's also very pigmented, so I think that it'll still take me a long time to use up. And then next we have something from Dome Beauty. I've never heard of this, and this says Cheek Envy Pressed Powder Blush in the shade English Rose. Oh, that's actually a really pretty blush color, more of a neutral pink blush. So here's the shade, and it does have a little bit of a sheen to it. It's a slight shimmer, which I really like. I don't like matte blushes. I just feel like they're too harsh. I love shimmer or satin blushes, especially shimmer blushes. I just like shimmer all over my face. But that is a shade I would wear, and this is actually a decent size. And then next up we have, this is from Delectable. This is a Butter Bomb Hand Cream Triple Citrus Blend. So just a regular hand cream. Let's see what it smells like. So I'm gonna try this out right away. I feel like I haven't gotten a hand cream or a body product in an Ipsy bag in years. I feel like I used to get little perfume samples back in the day, maybe 4 or 5 years ago. It definitely has a citrus scent to it. I'm definitely gonna throw this in my purse right away. It's not the most exciting thing to me because it's just lotion. But let me know if you guys like getting body products in your subscription boxes. I do sometimes if they're a full size body butter or something, but sometimes something like this is just a little random. Next up, oh, this is cool. This is from MAC. This is the Cleanse Off Oil. I have never ever tried this. This is a little sample, but honestly, I'm excited to use this because I've been wanting to try this for a really long time, and it'll still probably last a full week. I don't feel like I've gotten MAC products in Ipsy before. I think actually I got a little lip gloss from them maybe almost a year ago, but that's actually really cool. That makes up for some of the other products in here. All right, lastly, I have a brush. I can barely read the name on here because it's in cursive, very, very small. I'll have to look at the card, but this is just a little smudge brush. But I do feel like I am good on eyeshadow brushes lately. I think I've been getting eyeshadow brushes in subscription boxes every single month for the last 6 months, and that's my whole eyeshadow brush collection. So I feel like I already have a couple brushes like this, but I can always find a way to use these for a lower lash line or something like that, or even concealer for your brow or something. All right, so that was everything in my $10 subscription bag. This is one of my favorite bags I've ever gotten. And then moving into my Glam Bag Plus. If I sound like I'm out of breath, I'm having kind of a bit of a hard time with coughing. I've been sick for the last 10 days, so I'm gonna sound a little rough in this week's video, but I'm just trying to kind of power through and make myself feel better. Okay, so let's see. Ooh, first thing I see in here. Oh, this is so cool. Actually, they give us another bag, and it's a bigger version. Oh, I love this so much because I love animal print so much. So I'm actually gonna use these to travel with. I'm doing some traveling for the holidays, and I'm so excited for both of these bags. I always use a little bag like this on as my carry-on in an airplane, where I just have some brow gel, mascara, a powder foundation, and then I can use this for toiletries and stuff as well. All right, so getting into the box, the first thing I see is from Murad. This is their Acne Control Skin Perfecting Lotion. I really do like this brand. I feel like I haven't tried a ton from them, but everything I have tried I have liked. And I might pass this on to my husband because he does have more like acne prone skin. And usually if like a skincare packaging or something is a little bit more plain like this, he's more likely to use it than something that's like neon and has lots of like a fruity scent or something like that. So I might pass this on to him because I have so many moisturizers open right now. But I love getting products from Murad because I know they're like pricier. And then let's see, next up, I feel like I've heard of this. This is from Trustique. This is the Good Vibes Mascara and Curler. It's like a mascara with like a curler built into it. Okay, this packaging is absolutely huge for a mascara. Like here is my roller lash for reference. Like it's like double the size of a normal mascara. I feel like this is a little impractical. This is weird. Okay, so it says, let me like look at this for a second. Flip down to curl. Oh no. Okay. Well, I'm wearing falsies right now, but I guess the top of this mascara, yeah, is a curler. But it's like a little half curler. It's not like a full curler. I mean, I guess that could be a little convenient if you're like traveling, you don't want to bring both, but this is huge, so I might as well just bring both my mascara and my curler. Okay, and then in here, we have the mascara. I feel like there's no reason that this needs to be so huge for mascara. Like I can understand this one part with the curler, but this mascara bottle is so freaking big. Like this is the size of a shampoo bottle. Okay, so this is gonna be interesting. Like this is just amusing to me. I'm gonna try this out. Like I don't wanna ruin my lash. This is a brand new lash. I'm not even gonna bother with it. But I feel like this would actually work as a lash curl. Like I don't think that this is that inconvenient. I just think the packaging is so huge. I feel like this mascara is something I need to test out for like several weeks and see if it's actually like saving me time from curling my lashes, or if I'd rather just use a curler and a separate mascara if that's like a little bit more convenient. But I give them props for like actually creating something more innovative, because if it does work, I can see it being like more practical. But I just think this packaging, it just amuses me that it's so big. And then next up, this is actually, I don't even want to open this because I decluttered this recently. This is from Ciate. This is their Dewy Stick. So basically, I can actually go ahead and open it. I just don't want to swatch it. It's actually a cream highlighter, but instead of like giving you like a glowy finish, it just gives you a dewy finish. So it almost looks like a light oil or something on your face, like a light balm on your face. And to me, it's like so subtle and almost like makes my skin look like oily in a bad way that I didn't really like it. So this is what it looks like. It just looks almost like a glue stick. And then you basically apply it like a cream highlighter and it just gives you like a dewy look. But I have other like highlighter balms. Like I have some from Galactic that actually look really pretty, whereas this just like looked like I needed to blot my face or something. It was a little bit of a weird product. All right, next up, this is from Belle and Argent. This is maybe a lip color, yeah. Smoking on Screen. This is a lipstick. So this packaging is so amazing. It makes me so happy. This looks like a sculpture, like artwork, and it reminds me of something like Givenchy or something like really, really high end. Ooh, this is like a really pretty fall color. I normally only do matte lips for like a color like this or anything darker. I normally do like a matte liquid lipstick, but honestly, this is definitely a gorgeous fall color, and this packaging just makes me so excited, so I wanted to swatch this right away. I'm just obsessed with like how unique this packaging is. I've never heard of this brand, but it looks expensive just because of the packaging and the formula. It looks like a little bit more hydrating, definitely more of like a satin finish. All right, and then lastly, we have a product by Gigi Gorgeous. This is the Sick Sculpt Bronzer Duo in the shade Turnt and Extra. And this is actually like super, super cute packaging. Ooh, this is actually really pretty. I think definitely this lighter shade would work as like a contour. I could actually probably use this as a bronzer too. It looks like a little bit reddish, and this feels like very smooth as well. Yeah, this is actually so light, like you can barely see that on my skin. So here are both shades. The lighter shade is like very, very light. It's like maybe 2 shades darker than like my foundation shade, but I could use this as like a really subtle contour or mix these both together for a contour shade. And then definitely the darker shade I could definitely use. It's just a little, it seems like a little reddish or orange, so I'll have to like put that to the test, but The packaging definitely is like super pretty. Really, really like that. All right, so that is everything in my Glam Bag Plus, and then here is the value of everything I got. The Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion retails for $40. The Ciate Dewy Stick retails for $26. The Trestique Mascara retails for $25. The bronzer is $24, and then the lipstick is $26, which I actually think is a really good price because this packaging makes it look like it's $50. And then the total value of my Glam Bag Plus this month is $141, which is totally a good value, but honestly, there's nothing I'm like super excited about in this bag. Or honestly, what I'm the most excited about are these two cheetah print makeup bags that aren't even like really part of the value of anything. In my regular Ipsy, I don't think there's anything like, just like the cleansing oil I'm excited for. And this is gonna last me like a few days. There's nothing I'm like super, super into. And then in the Glam Bag Plus, really the Murad product that I'm probably gonna pass along to my husband anyways is the only thing that I'm like the most excited about because I love skincare and I love high-end skincare products. I'm interested and amused by this mascara curler combination. This is more of like an entertainment product for me. So I didn't really know about it. I think I've seen people like unbox it in like Instagram stories, but I haven't like heard a lot of reviews on it. And that's kind of it. I'm not like super excited about either box. I don't know if I'm just like in a mood because I'm sick and I'm like, I need to be impressed with some like really good products, but yeah, I'm like not really feeling each box too much this month. All right guys, but that is everything for this month's unboxing. Sometimes we get some really good bags. Sometimes we get some really mediocre ones like this month, but hopefully it gets better next month. I feel like sometimes for the holidays they do a little bit better. So fingers crossed for next month. And let me know if you guys got a good bag this month. Let me know if you got a better bag than me. I hope you did. Just let me know what you guys end up getting in the comments below. And if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll tell you soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.